Log into your Mint Service Desk account as an administrator. Navigate to the System settings. In the Email section, locate the option Accounts to add a new email integration and click on it. Click on the Add New button. Enter a name for the integration to easily identify the configured email account, example, my email account. Check the box labeled System Account. Now, you need to select at least one, or more, if desired, outgoing queue. When an agent writes a message in a ticket that belongs to the selected outgoing queue, this email account will be used as the sender of the message. Next, you will need to choose the email you're using. Select the authorization type. Enter the details of your email account that you gathered earlier. Provide the password for the email account. Enter the IMAP or POP3 server address. Provide the port number for the IMAP or POP3 server. Enter the domain address. Save the changes to activate the integration. To activate your new account, click the Activate button. If, for any reason, you want to deactivate it, you can easily do so using the Deactivate button.